Salut YouTube, welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got two toys. They are similar in nature. So we have the little Tikes and then the Playskool. So we're not quite sure which one to keep, and so we got them both and kind of test out with our kid and see which one he liked the most. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So we got these two toys because they can spin, and one of them actually can shoot out water once you connect to a hose. So they look pretty cool, and we were kind of unsure which one we should get, so we got them both, right? So the first one I'm going to unbox is the Playskool Sit and Spin Classic Activity Toy for toddlers age 18 months and up. So this one is really simple to put on. I don't even think you need an instruction, but in case you do need it, they do provide you with an instruction inside. Anyway, so the only thing that you need to be careful of is the screws. Initially, I didn't think it needed to have screws because just the way how it's set up. But then on the instruction, it indicates that there are 3 screws that provided with the toy. So I started looking for it. So you just need to be mindful that there are 3 screws in there. You don't misplace them. They were in the bag and was stick to the tape. 3 screws, 2 silver ones that go on the side or the spindle, and then 1 black one go on the bottom of the base. Alright, so the next one is the little Tikes Play Big Dual Twister. So this one is pretty cool. Essentially, you can have up to 2 kids to sit in there and to spin. And also this one can connect to a hose where you can shoot out water from the center. To assemble this toy is really simple. One thing I think you should just keep in mind is separate all the parts first, because initially I didn't know there were parts underneath the base. So you should cut all the zip ties and set them aside. Once you separate all the parts, it will be much easier to assemble because the base will not be wobbly. It will be level once you put it on the ground. For the Playskool, that one, he doesn't really like it all that much. I think because the base is very small compared to the little Tikes. Our kid was having a hard time sitting on top of the base. And also the fact that he doesn't like to cross his legs when he's up there. I think it would be much better if the kid be able to cross the legs against the center pole. That way the kid will have a much better time of playing with it, spinning around. As far as for us, our kid didn't really like the Playskool all that much. And usually he will get on and he will get off right away. As far as for the other one, the little Tikes Dual Twist, yeah, so our kid actually like to play with that one because the base is so much bigger. That one, the base can accommodate 2 toddlers to play at the same time. So our kid definitely have more room on top, and he actually like to spend time to play with that because that thing can shoot out water. So we have a small backyard where we put the little Tikes out there and connect to the hose, and you can actually control the water coming out by adjusting the valve, the water valve. So you can have a lot of water shooting out or a little bit of water shooting out. Since right now is the summertime, and summer in Texas is extremely hot, and since we don't go to the water park, this toy comes in really enjoyable for our kid. So our thoughts about the two toys, little Tikes dual twist, definitely provide you with more value since it has bigger base and it can accommodate two toddlers on top to play. So your kid has a friend that comes over to play, this is definitely the toy to go with, especially if you can connect water to this toy with water shooting out from the center. That one is definitely more fun than the Playskool one. So anyway, if you have questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.